Hey everyone. I don't normally make an end of semester video, but this has not been a normal semester. And I just wanted to take a minute to thank you for all of the hard work that you've done during such unprecedented circumstances. And I know many of you were working through very difficult situations, and I just want to tell you how impressed I am with the work that I've received from you all. And I hope that um, even as we don't know what's going to happen with the pandemic moving forward, I hope that you have a good next step from here, whatever that means. For you seniors, I'm so sorry that you didn't get the end of your college career that you expected and that anyone would expect. And for those of you continuing on, I hope that however school looks in the fall, that it's something that works for you and that it goes a little more smoothly and easier than the spring did. And I just want to acknowledge that you all are wonderful people, and it's been a pleasure talking with you over Yellow Dig and reading your work and honestly seeing your writing progress. I know that's like the least of things that you're worried about right now, but for me, it's really gratifying seeing how much your writing has progressed over this semester. And at a time when we can't see each other very much, communication is even more important. And I hope that this class has helped you understand how to communicate even better than you did before, and that you can use those tools in a variety of ways to make this weird new reality that we live in maybe just a little bit better. So good luck over the summer. I hope that you can find some joy and excitement some way. And please don't hesitate to reach out to me via email if you ever need to get in touch. Thanks, guys.